Alex, this is it. Our first podcast slash video series that we're going to do for Digital Hunter. What we're looking to do in this video is kind of just give you an overview, in this particular with Jasper AI. And the reason that we're doing this is when you did that in-depth study for Jasper AI, you were like super jazzed and excited about how cool this platform was. So what we want to do is kind of share with our listeners and the viewers. We're going to make the screen a little bit bigger and our pictures a little bit smaller in a moment. But we want to kind of get the feedback from our listeners and viewers as to what other products and services that we could highlight for them through these types of videos. So I know you did a deep dive, and what we want to do now is go over what you think are the most valuable features and benefits that this product offers the users for the Jasper AI.
Yeah, well, first of all, I want to start by saying the product is a game changer. If you're in the content, let's say, if you make content, if you work in advertising, or basically anything online, your work is cut by more than half. You have templates for everything, regardless if you want to let's say you have an e-commerce store, and you want to create in detail description that are also engaging and also SEO optimized, you can do that. If you want to create video scripts for your product, you can do that. If you're just starting out a blog and don't have, let's say, ideas how to start, or you basically don't know where to start, because this is where most people are when they start something. They don't know basically where to start.
Right.
Jasper AI can help you do that. So let's start by creating a blog post.
Yeah, let's do that.
You have
going to create it for you.
It gets inputs from your side, and based on what you insert in the program, it generates it. So let's start simple. You also have some quick picks. So let's go with the flow and see what they recommend us. Promote a product or a service. Let's see what they say. Let's choose a product. What do we want to sell? An online course, a consulting service.
Let's do it.
Okay. So I just want to say, last time I didn't have this, so now it basically makes things even easier.
Wow.
This is a product that month by month it evolves.
So it's not a static platform.
No,
meaning they're building and adding to it on a regular basis.
Since I started working with Jasper, I think they upgraded it 3 or 4 times until now, and it's like in 1 year time. So the guys are really investing a lot of money and resources into this product.
That's good.
It's here to stay. Personalized business strategy, expert team with diverse industry experience. I think, do you want to add something, or we just...
No, let one rip. Let's see what it does.
Yeah. Who's our started audience?
Again, this is for the lazy man's content creator.
Lazy man. Yeah. Small business owners, entrepreneurs. Let's go with entrepreneurs. Oh, we can put more. Let's put also small business. So let's see what it gives us. What specific aspects would you like to highlight?
So basically what it's doing is kind of setting the stage.
Exactly.
Okay.
It basically feeds into a GPT-based AI information, so it can generate a very detailed blog post based on what you provide. So we have an outline.
Okay.
Success. We have an introduction, personalized. So,
can you edit anything right there yourself?
Yeah. If you want, we can put here comprehensive market strategy, discuss in depth, show how marketing. Conclusion. Do you want to add anything, or just leave it as it is?
No. Let's leave it as it is for now, just for the demo purpose. But I just wanted to know if it could.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Now let's see. Oh my God, the speed is incredible.
Wow. You know what I noticed about a lot of ChatGPT stuff? It just, the very first sentence of most of them, in today's something, right? In today's economy, in today's competitive landscape, that's a telltale sign that it's AI. So the first thing you need to do is change that.
Yeah.
It seems like every single article that's written by AI has that. And the other thing that I noticed too, in a lot of ChatGPT requests, I get a lot of semicolon stuff. For some reason, it uses that instead of a comma, seemingly before a lot of lists type of stuff in the regular written format, not a list in, bullet pointed. But they love to use the semicolon.
Yeah, basically, when you when you use ChatGPT a lot, you start seeing the patterns.
Yes.
So it may be wow at first. Okay, we can have content that's generated on the fly, but you need to work on it. You cannot.
But I think what it does, honestly, in my opinion, I think what it does is it gives someone who has I don't want to call it the fear of a white page, but just the writer's block, and it gets you started, and then you can tweak and edit it based on your own personal preferences, and pop in some of your own anecdotes that make it more personalized and like you.
It helped me, basically it helped me learn to write better. I was always having writer blocks. I didn't know where to start, and but since I started using ChatGPT or any AI, like content AI, it makes things really easier. So
all right. So then what else would you do from here? What would be the next step?
So here now we just take we have all the text. Take it, use I don't know some like Google Docs. Google.com. See. A blank document. You take the text here. You have the outline, and you start working on it. Basically, take the text. Oh,
so what else specifically, though, from Jasper AI standpoint, would you do next? Before?
From Jasper AI.
Yeah.
For example, if we have parts that we don't like, we can just improve writing. We like it better. Yeah, we like it better.
Oh, okay. So each little section you can change.
Exactly.
Okay.
And you have more options here. Change tone. Casual, engaging, friendly, professional.
Ah, that's neat.
Yeah, it is. It is a really, really nice feature. Let's see how it does when you sit with
Willie?
Willie, yeah. Business.
Okay, yeah, I get it. So it's more conversational rather than
Oh, or basically, we need more text. It's a bit longer, but it's not. Let's see if we can make it even longer. Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
So if you think about it, because most people ask things like, okay, but can't ChatGPT do the same thing? And the answer is, yeah. But in order to do the same things with ChatGPT, it will take you much longer. You need to know the exact prompt. You need to always take the text, save it, put it again. What the guys from Jasper did, you have everything at your fingertips.
Yeah, so like if you did this in ChatGPT directly and you grabbed the whole thing and you said to ChatGPT in the reprompt for the same thread and said in the section that says expert team with diverse industry experience, expand on that or make it anecdotal or make it more funny. Then it would write it and you'd have to copy and paste it. So it just saves you time instead of doing
a lot of time.
In piecemeal, you're doing it all in one place, editing on the fly. That's pretty cool.
And it's also faster.
Yeah.
So for everybody who tried ChatGPT, especially GPT-4, it's slow. You just saw how fast this was.
Now, how does it do with SEO? So asking it to do it with some SEO in mind, adding keywords in specific places, does it have that sort of feature and functionality?
It is. So when you go back to templates, it's like the one we chose here is engaging long form content and to provide value, driving and enhancing SEO. Everything they write is SEO optimized. Right,
but what is it SEO optimized for? How do you put in the keywords if you wanted to change the keywords and said, listen, we're doing business consulting, but we're doing business consulting in this specific vertical, and that's what we want to target. That would be cool if you could add in there, business consulting in the affiliate marketing space, right? This way it's talking about affiliate marketing as the, what do you call that, master keyword or whatever it is.
The primary keyword, like
yes, exactly, primary, master, primary.
Let's see, because like we can copy. What keyword? Let's see what keyword.
Affiliate marketing.
A bit weird because it's called consulting, but let's see what it does.
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
So from a keyword perspective, it's going to key in on the affiliate marketing portion, but still remember that you were talking about consulting, not just affiliate marketing.
Yeah. And then you write as much as you want. And it continues, it continues, it continues.
Does it have, I remember we also had a conversation about Grammarly. Does it have some sort of functionality similar to that that'll highlight a word and change it?
Like one single word. So like this, you mean? Like select one word, repurpose.
Oh, wow.
It has repurposed content, but I don't think it will work. Let's see. Honestly, I didn't try it like this. Oh, you can do it, but it's not the main purpose of the tool.
Right.
So Grammarly, since they also added AI to their, let's say, toolbox, does an incredible. I use it daily. An incredible job at that.
Does Grammarly have some sort of functionality that works with Google Docs?
Yep.
So maybe what you do is then copy this, paste it into Google Docs, and then you can Grammarly it up in there.
This is what I do. Exactly, this is the process. Take the text, put it in Google Docs, and then Grammarly analyzes it and gives you everything you need to make the text in its, like, what they consider the best version of it.
Right. Okay. So now let's say we got the content nailed down.
Oh,
We've got the.
You can also add it here. Let's see. You can see.
Oh, there you go.
Also have it here. Yeah. But I think this is a paid
probably
paid service. Yeah.
But either way, if you have Grammarly already, you can add it to this as an add-on. That's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So let's say you have it nailed down and you have it the way you want it. Now let's think about writing copy for ads. Is that something Jasper AI can do?
I think better than most. Let's go.
Let's see that.
See. Let's start from scratch.
Well, let's get it to write some content. I mean, some ad copy about exactly what we just did to highlight the blog post that we're going to want to, let's say, run an ad to drive more traffic to.
Okay, let's go with the search ad. What's products? So we have a consulting for affiliate marketing.
Now all we need to do is get a robot to press all these buttons for us, and we'll be all set.
True. Expert guidance on affiliate. Oh, it basically knows what we want to offer.
Right.
So personalized plans. Okay. So online business owners, bloggers. Let's put everybody. Book a consultation.
Wow.
Affiliate marketing consulting. Yeah, so it does the job for you. Best affiliate, increase affiliate marketing revenue, business growth consulting. Best affiliate marketing program. And let's see what happens.
Yeah, it's not the program itself, it's the consulting on top of it.
Exactly.
That's what you're really looking to hone in on.
Okay, let's see. Drive your affiliate. So this is the headline.
Drive your affiliate revenue to new heights. Yeah, so, it's funny. This looks like all the blog posts that I see that are sponsored, that are running, let's say on Instagram or Facebook, about people that are selling their wares, all these gurus. And basically what they're doing is they're just using something like this, like Jasper AI, to do exactly what it is that you can do for yourself if you have your own subscription to Jasper AI. How much does it cost a month? What was the cost?
Depends, let's say, on what you want. I think from what I know, we start from $39 per month if you go with the yearly subscription. And it can go, I think, with $49 if you go with a monthly subscription.
Okay.
What I would recommend for everybody, so if you don't have any experience, go with the monthly subscription first to see if the software is for you. Once you see it's for you and you like it, then you go with annually and save some money.
I mean, if you think about it, if you're going to go pay a professional to do all this for you, and you're going to pay $40 an hour or $50 an hour for argument's sake, in 1 hour, you've got a month's worth of content all written for you just from the prompts that you give it. And so it's definitely worth every penny.
Yeah. And it's funny that in the last couple of months, I don't know, from nowhere, a lot of content marketing companies started contacting me because they're generating content, and if we want content from them. So let's say the evolution of AI with the companies that create content are kind of hand in hand now. I'm wondering why it is.
All right. Well, copy this and put it into the shared Google Drive just for now, just for the demonstration purposes. Just stick it in the Google Drive. You don't have to share it with me at the moment, but I'm going to actually use this in the next blog post. Post and see what kind of response we get.
It's a good text. It's a good text.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, I'm going to have to tweak it to personalize it.
Yeah.
And add some emojis and things like that. It doesn't do anything with emojis and stuff, does it?
Emojis. So if you go with search ads, no, we shouldn't use emojis because it's like against Google policies.
Oh, right.
What I would like here is Google changes rap, and what Jasper could do a bit better would be to present for search ads the text exactly in the current format that Google requires, meaning a lot of headlines and a lot of descriptions, and that's it. Here you have the text. You can use it. It's great. You have descriptions. You have things that can be considered, let's say, headlines along with this. But for the entry level user, it would be more helpful to have them in the Google structure.
Right.
So this would be like a feedback to Jasper.
All right. Well, I mean, this has done some pretty cool stuff already, and I know we want to try and keep this video down to the 15, 20-minute level, which is a nice bite-sized chunk that someone could, kind of look at and get a feel for it on their lunch break or whatever. What else? What are the other key features and benefits that you think would be worth mentioning before we wrap this up?
Let's go with the social media. So it's basically the same thing with search ad, but in social media you can use for ads and also for organic posts. And I think this is where software like with Jasper shine. You can output loads of content for you to use in your social media page, get engagement and get traction. So let's go on Facebook. Product is being advertised, and let's go with the product, not a service, and see how it works from that side as well. Let's go with organic. Free farming, reach better taste. Okay. It feels like I'm choosing audiences when I'm doing an ad.
So again, I think the coolest thing of it is that it gives you the prompts, and it's just a step-by-step click.
Yeah.
You don't have to type anything. It's giving you suggestions. You can type in your own if you wanted to, I'm assuming.
Yeah, but you don't need. So basically,
no, you don't need to. But I'm just saying it. Let's trust that the AI knows better than we do.
And look now.
Oh yeah, see, and it's got the icons, the little emojis in there. Cool.
Yeah. It looks good. It has hashtags. It can be used also as an ad and also as a post. This is why I like using the Jasper for social media, because the content is multi-purpose.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's see another example. Discover the power. You have a lot of data.
Yeah, that's a little longer form.
It's great.
Nice.
Yeah. And you can just you're not sure. You just generate and use whatever you like. You take one from here, one from here. You like how this sounds, and it's good together with this. Use them. You have no limitations.
So again, it seems like Jasper AI is a better user interface over the GPT-4 technology to give you the ease and functionality of, just easily to get all your content and ideas generated for you, and then you can tweak them and manage them on your own. That's awesome.
Yeah. I heard people say, oh, but I work a bit more, but I use ChatGPT for free. Basically, if you want to use ChatGPT-4, it's not for free. It costs money. It's like, if I remember, $20 per 20 or $25 per month. Yeah.
But it's not going to have all this functionality and interface. Yeah, that's what you're paying for.
Just
and again,
blank post.
Makes it easier. Okay, so in wrapping up, what else would we do in terms of putting a bow on this whole package for Jasper AI?
I think the last thing that we can speak of would be like a product, because a lot of people do e-commerce, do drop shipping, and I think it's a point that we need to touch. So let's go just like a product description, standard. What do we want to sell?
Sunglasses, let's just say. I'm just
sunglasses. Oh,
I don't know.
Sunglasses. Let's go with sunglasses and see when we put our own thing, what suggestions we get next. Oh, stylish design. Yeah, I want that. We start outdoor enthusiasts, fashion conscious individuals. Also put general public. Let's see.
So I think the page that we're going to put as our thumbnail for this video would be sell anything with the use of Jasper AI.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Let Jasper AI help you.
Digital array. No.
Write better, faster content, more engaging.
These are some nice glasses. I would buy them. Digital array sunglasses, style and protection combined. Come on. And you have a product in, I don't know, less than a minute.
Array sunglasses. Style and protection combined. Oh, nice.
Basically, what you need in order to create a good product page. If you have this, along with some good pictures and some good customer reviews, you have everything.
Yeah. That's pretty
and
cool.
From my experience and from discussions I had in the past with clients I worked with in e-commerce stores, creating good product descriptions is it's hard, especially if you're not a copy guy or a content guy.
Yeah, well, this gives you the head start I think that you need to then kind of sprinkle in your own feel and look and thoughts. Well, this is awesome. I don't know if there's anything else we want to add, but to read the entire review, just go to the digitalhunter.net website and you'll look for Jasper AI and you'll see the short review that's got the pros and the cons, and then you could read the long review, and that goes into way more content and depth that Alex did for Jasper AI. And I think, for our listeners, if you got something out of this video and this audio portion of it, if you're just listening, definitely check out the YouTube channel for the Digital Hunter. This way you can kind of see the walkthrough that Alex just did of Jasper AI. And if you have any other suggestions of some other content that you'd like to see us create, please leave us a mention or a notice or a reply in the YouTube channel. That would be super helpful and we'd appreciate it. And we'd look forward to the next video with us.
And also subscribe, because all the products that we have on our website, we'll have do video reviews for each of them. We'll go to their features, see what's good, see what's bad, in order for you to make an educated purchase.
Correct. And we have a newsletter that goes out every Wednesday at 7:45 a.m. Eastern time that gives you the highlights on all the latest content that we've created, which are the reviews that you don't have the time yourself to do because you're busy running your business. So whether you're starting a business, growing a business, or you just want to live a better lifestyle, subscribe to the Digital Hunter newsletter today. Appreciate it.